Hi guys, in my Tesla, my auto window is not working. Look at this. When I click here one time, it only come down a little. I have to click all the way for it to come down. When I go up, yeah, it just doesn't work. So I'm gonna find out how to make it work again. So I'm gonna try this. Press down and wait for 15 seconds. Yep. So I'm gonna wait for 15 seconds and only let go. Okay, let's let go, and it's not done yet. You have to press all the way up and keep holding it for 15 seconds. Okay, more than 15 seconds, let go, and let's try whether the auto window still works or not. There you go. Recalibrated and it's working fine now. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye.